Unraveling Cog in the Machine, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, cog in the machine. Understanding phrases like these can really spice up your language skills and help you grasp the nuances of English. So, let's dive right in and decode what it means to be a cog in the machine, and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. First off, let's break down the phrase into two parts, cog and machine. A cog is a wheel or bar with teeth on it, designed to fit into another piece in a machine, allowing the machine to function. When we talk about a machine, in this context, we're not just referring to a physical device. It can also symbolize an organization, a system, or a society. So, when someone is described as a cog in the machine, it means they are a small, perhaps insignificant part of a larger system. They play a role in making the system work, but on their own, they might not have a lot of power or influence. Being called a cog in the machine can have both neutral and negative connotations. On one hand, it highlights the importance of every role in a system, no matter how small. Every cog is essential for the machine to function properly. On the other hand, it can imply that the person is just a minor part of a massive, impersonal system, perhaps feeling undervalued or lacking individuality. This phrase is often used in discussions about workplaces, societies, or any large systems where people might feel that their individual contributions are overlooked. It's a powerful metaphor to express feelings of being trapped in a routine, being underappreciated, or lacking control over one's role and destiny. Now that we understand what it means and the implications behind it, how can we use cog in the machine in our conversations? Here are a few examples. 1. Describing a work situation. I just feel like a cog in the machine at my job, doing the same tasks every day without any recognition. 2. Reflecting on society. Sometimes, it feels like we're all just cogs in the machine, playing our parts without questioning the larger system. 3. Discussing a role. In the grand scheme of things, my role in this project is just a small cog in the machine, but I'm proud to contribute to something bigger. Understanding phrases like cog in the machine not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you a nuanced way to express feelings about your role in larger systems, be it work, society, or any organized group. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase and its usage in the English language. Remember, every cog is vital to the machine's operation, and understanding our place within these systems can be both humbling and empowering. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips and explorations. See you in the next video.